I'm back on. The thing cut off for a second. I was showing you my corn, and these were little scraggly little pieces when they first were put in here. They were no good for nothing. And then I said, well, these are intentionally grown, in little 5 styrofoam 16-ounce cups. I just put about 10 or 12 seeds in each cup, grow them out, and I'll get a product like, say, like this. Looks a little weak and scraggly, but they come out like this when you put them in the right size container, and feed them my secret sauce, which that's what I'm giving it now. I just got them back on a feeding regimen, and they are doing real good. I mean, they are responding. There are no bug holes nowhere you can find on any of this corn. Look at it. Look at the locust. He hanging on there, but he can't find nothing to eat because these plants are too healthy to eat. Feed them, water them properly. Bugs don't want them. Let them starve out. Don't water them properly. Bugs will eat them up. Using man-made chemicals. Look at this. This thing got on my arm. God, they're everywhere out here, these locusts. But I don't mind them too much. I mean, they're all right. And look at this. I just put this new addition here. These are, what do they call these things? Cucumbers. I'm just growing them out, and I'll thin them out later. But they were in a shady area that I thought would be good, but it turned out to be real shady. So here's what we got here. My goodness. The soil is so good. Look what this weed has done. And it was hardly anything there this year. The soil is so soft in some areas. I mean, you just can't believe it unless I were to take you back 10 years or a couple years back when I started chopping and dropping. And everything's growing good. I got my tomatoes. Tomatoes doing good. It's a warm 70-something degrees out here today. And these right here looking bad, but I'm starting to use the secret sauce on them. And I started yesterday and this sucker vined out that quick. So I'm gonna hit him again today with the secret sauce. Corn. I love sweet corn, but this next year I plan on doing what we call it. I'll use peaches and cream. Garden Rebel got me on that, and I like that corn. This right here is Silver Queen, mostly known for growing in Maryland. Just want to show you that. Look at that, folks. Those are gonna be cucumbers on them suckers in no time. I got to put some markers up in the other part of the yard. Cause see how my garden is. It's no digging going on back here. I mean, really, me tilling up nothing. I just simply do a chop and drop and put the plants right there, and the soil loves it. All right, later, this is Morning Gardener. Remember to leave some, notes or tell me what you think or opinions, whatever. And I know you like this channel. I know you do, because you've been here a while. I know you do. I can tell. Because you watched it up until this point. I know you like it. So let's go ahead and leave some comments and, some thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't. This is the Morning Gardener.